अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करती हूँ ठीक ठाक होंगे और मैथ्स को बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। वेलकम टू द थर्ड बुक ऑफ मैथ्स फॉर किंडरगार्टन। और अब तक कर चुके हैं हम बहुत सी इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ें, और जो लास्ट दो लेसन्स थे हमारे वो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अहम थे, क्योंकि हमने सीखी है एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन तमाम पॉसिबल वेज़ में। जिन जिन तरीक़ों से हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन कर सकते हैं वो तमाम तरीके उन वीडियोस में इंक्लूडेड थे। आज का जो हमारा लेसन है उसमें भी दो बातें हैं। पहले लेसन में एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की थोड़ी सी रिवीजन है, लेकिन एक नई चीज़ के साथ कि अगर हमारे पास ज़ीरो हो, जी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ज़ीरो? ज़ीरो मीन्स नथिंग। तो ज़ीरो का एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन पे क्या असर है, आंसर में क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है। We are going to see that if we add or subtract zero, zero means nothing. तो क्या we are left with what? ठीक है, so we are going to see that first, and after that we are going to see some shapes. जी, आज हम करेंगे shapes, 2D shapes और 3D shapes. 2D shapes are the ones which we have done before in nursery as well. ये है हमारी 2D shapes which includes a square, circle, rectangle, triangle and oval. These are all the 2D shapes. But today we are going to see the 3D shapes in detail as well. As I have told earlier in the video that 3D shapes are those shapes जो 3-dimensional होती हैं, जिनमें height, length और width होती है। लेकिन ये कैसे होती है और तमाम शेप्स के क्या फीचर्स हैं वो हम सीखेंगे थ्रू आवर बुक। जी, तो हम चलते हैं अपने बुक की तरफ, और सबसे पहला जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है ज़ीरो वाला। जी, व्हाट इज़ द इफेक्ट ऑफ ज़ीरो इन एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन। फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये है हमारा पहला पेज एंड इट इज सेइंग एडिंग और सब्ट्रैक्टिंग ज़ीरो। जी मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि ज़ीरो का क्या मतलब है। ज़ीरो मीन्स नथिंग। सो व्हेन वी ऐड नथिंग टू एनी नंबर, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? We get the same number back when we add zero to any number. Okay, if we have 3 apples on a tree and another tree has 0 apples, can you tell me how many total apples are there? Exactly, we will get the same answer because 0 means nothing. So if we add 0 to any number, we are going to get the same number as the answer. आंसर हमारा वही नंबर आ जाएगा, क्योंकि ज़ीरो मीन्स नथिंग, हमने उस नंबर में कोई और नंबर ऐड नहीं किया। The next question is solve the following. Now 3 sums in which we are going to add 0. I'm just going to tell you the first one because the next two ones are so easy and you can do it on your own. The first sum is 2 plus 0. And who is going to tell me the answer? अगर हम में 0 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आंसर हमें? We are left with 2. Same goes with other 2 parts. 0 means nothing, my dear kids. Okay, the second concept, the second thing, opposite of addition is subtraction. और आपको पता है कि subtraction का क्या मतलब है? When we take away something. But as you know that 0 means nothing. So when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number back. It is the same as addition because 0 means nothing. If we have something and we take nothing out of it, so the answer is the same number. So here there are 2 fish and we subtracted 0 fish from that. And what was going to be the answer? Gee, we are left with 2 fish because we subtracted nothing. We subtracted 0 from it. And the next question says, solve the following. The first question is 6 minus 0. So if we subtract 0 from 6, can you tell the answer? Can you guess that? Yes, we are going to get the same number as the answer, like the answer will be 6. So हम my dear kids जब भी 0 किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, we are going to get the same number as the answer. Dear teachers, ask the students to count the objects, toys, blocks or even fingers. Then explain when they add 0 more or subtract 0, the total remains the same. ठीक है, जब भी हम किसी भी चीज में 0 ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आंसर हमारा सेम रहता है, बिकॉज 0 मीन्स नथिंग. Okay, as I have told you earlier in the introduction that the next topic which we are going to study today are shapes. And my dear kids, there are two types of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. The next one is 2D shapes, जिनको हम flat shapes भी कहते हैं. And why we call them as flat shapes? Because 2D shapes have length and height only. Can you see on this page in this right side? It is shown that they have length and height. Okay. Observe and name some 2D flat shapes. So there are the ones which we have done earlier, the 5 2D shapes. What is the first one? Can you tell me? The shape which has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Who is going to name it? Shabash. It's a square. The next shape is a curved one. What shape is this? It's a circle. Then what is the next shape with 3 sides and 3 corners? Very right. It's a triangle. And the next one is a rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners. And the last shape is also a curved one. So it's an oval. Okay, the next activity on this page is really interesting, my dear kids. It is saying match each object to its relevant shape. Can you see different objects of different shapes? You just have to match them with the relevant shape. Can you see this sign, this traffic sign? What shape can be matched with this? Yes, it's triangle shape. So it is so easy, my dear kids. I am not going to tell you the matching. I am sure you can match the shapes with the relevant things yourself. Okay, and the last question, very good question, very nice question, because in this way you can learn how to draw these shapes as well. So it is saying trace and write the name of each shape. So you have to trace all these shapes very nicely, very accurately, and after that you have to write the names of these shapes as well. उसके बाद हम इनके names भी लिखेंगे, because names के spellings याद करना भी equally important है. आप इनको trace करिए बहुत clearly, nicely, और फिर आप उनके names भी लिखिए. For teachers, reinforce the recognition of basic 2D shapes such as circle, square, rectangle, triangle, and oval. Show flashcards of 2D shapes and ask the students to name them. जी, reinforcement किसी भी concept की बहुत ज़रूरी है. Teachers can show the flashcards of all these shapes with their names, and students can match the names of with the relevant shapes as well. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि मैंने आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया था कि शेप्स हैं हमारी 2 टाइप्स की. जी, तो जो नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ शेप्स हैं हमारी वो कहलाती हैं 3D शेप्स. एंड 3D शेप्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड एज सॉलिड शेप्स. ठीक है, और हम इनको 3D शेप्स क्यों कहते हैं? व्हाई वी ऐड 3 विद दिस? Because objects that occupy space are called solid shapes, और इन तमाम solid shapes की 3 dimensions होती हैं. जी, they have 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. That is why they are called as 3D shapes. We have seen in 2D shapes that in 2D only length and height was given. लेकिन in 3D shapes we will be given length, width, and height. That is why they are called as 3D shapes. I hope the difference between them is clear. अब हम देखते हैं अपने बुक का पेज जिसके ऊपर तमाम 3D शेप्स, जिनको हम सॉलिड शेप्स भी कहते हैं, वो गिवन है और उनके नेम्स भी गिवन हैं जी। अच्छा जी, द फर्स्ट वन, कैन यू रीड इट? इट्स जस्ट अ 4-letter वर्ड, ट्राई टू रीड इट। इट्स अ क्यूब। क्यूब, ओके। हैव यू सीन एनी क्यूब शेप्ड ऑब्जेक्ट अराउंड यू? किसी ने कोई क्यूब शेप्ड चीज देखी है कभी? ओके, हैव यू सीन अ डाइस? Yes, dice is a cube shaped. It's a solid shaped named cube. The next one is a very easy shape and I hope you people know that. It's a cone. सबने आइसक्रीम कोन तो खाई ही होगी? Exactly. So the next 3D shape is a cone. The next one is a sphere. Telling you about sphere is a very easy thing because sphere shape is just like a ball. Have you seen a ball? I hope you have seen different types of balls like a football, basketball, tennis ball, even a marble. Okay, all these are spheres. What is this 3D shape? Sphere. The next one is a cylinder. Now, cylinder. Okay, let me give you an example. Have you seen a small tin of something? Maybe a milk powder or anything? So this shape is cylinder shape. It has two circle shaped sides and a height. And the last one is a cuboid. What is it? A cuboid. Have you seen a shoebox? Yes, a shoebox is always cuboid shaped. So all these are 3D shapes. Okay, and my dear students, there is a little matching activity on your book. Very interesting activity is there. So we have all these shapes and down here we have all the objects which have these shapes. ठीक है, पहले हमारे पास 3D shapes given हैं and then we have the objects. Which objects have the same shape like these 3D shapes? You have to match each object to its relevant shape. The first one is a cube and the example which I have given you is here. What is it? What is a cube shaped object here? Can you see that? Can you identify? Yes, I can see a dice here. So, you can match this cube to its dice. Okay, the next one is a cone shape. And can you see any cone shaped object here? What object is cone shaped? Yes, a birthday party hat. Okay, and next is a cylinder. And I can see a cylinder shaped object. Can you name this object? What is it? It's a bucket. This bucket is cylinder shaped. The next is a sphere and it is so easy that there is a ball here which is sphere shaped. And the next one is a cuboid and I can see an interesting thing here as well. Yes, it's a birthday gift. So this gift is cuboid shaped. So my dear kids, you are supposed to match each 3D shape with the given objects. Dear teachers, reinforce the recognition of some 3D solid shapes such as cube, cone, sphere, cylinder, cuboid, etc. Show flashcards of different 3D shapes and ask the students to name them. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये था हमारा आज का बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा लेसन। हम दोबारा से मिलेंगे एक नए लेसन के साथ। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।